analyzing your face and giving it to the Russians. The Russians. Fuck.
Want daily tech news in a way that doesn't suck?
Of course you do.
Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Front Page Tech. Of course, show that gives you all latest tech news from one geek that is me to another that is you. I am not happy, okay? I'm not happy. Today, FPT special report. Alright, so you guys have been seeing this app floating around called FaceApp. You take a normal picture of you and this app can morph your face in all sorts of ways. It is not the first app of its kind, but it is probably the most impressive of its kind. But here's the thing. It's not new. FaceApp has been around for about 2 years now. And like I said, it's the most impressive of its kind. Just off of a seemingly normal picture of your face, it can do all sorts of stuff. It can make you look old, which is really popular right now, trending all over social media. Which, by the way, to the people using this app to make other people that you follow online look old, just to tweet it to them and, haha, look, you're old now. Fucking stop it. That's the least cool thing you could do. The people tweeting me photos of myself old because you ran some fucking picture of me from Google Images through this app and then tweeted it to me, that's not cool. And I'm just gonna block you. It's annoying. So it can make you look old, it can gender swap you, it can put glasses on you, and it's also the only way I'll ever have a real beard. Look, it's pretty amazing technology, and it's fun. Until now. Until all you motherfuckers decided to suck the fun right out of something else now, because the only thing that's fun to you is grouping together, pretending to be woke as fuck, and gathering on social media to tweet about how angry you are. Because you cracked the code! It's the Russians! They're out to get us! It's collecting our faces, and it's gonna put our faces on dogs! Sorry about that. Throughout the last few days, you've probably seen article after article, video after video, tweet after trending tweet about how FaceApp is actually a stranger in the dark, using what appears to be a fun face filter to take your face from you and give it to Satan. So let's run down the list of spooky things. Shall we? Number 1, they're stealing your data. There are claims that when you give FaceApp access to your photos, it uploads all of your camera roll to its servers. That's not true. What is happening, however, is that it's uploading the photos that you select for them to use onto their servers, which, yeah. What do you want? How do you think it takes your normal photo, puts it through an incredibly advanced facial AI, and then spits out a pretty convincing picture of you as an old shit, so you can upload it to Twitter and go, hee hee, look at me, it made me old. It uploads it to their servers, where the AI is. Number 2, the privacy policy is scary. Of course it is. It's a bunch of legal jumbo set in place to cover their asses on an app that most of you are using for free. You only give a shit about this privacy policy because little snippets of it were trending on your favorite social networks. Question, have you ever sat down to read the privacy policy of all your other favorite apps and services that you use every day for free? Have you ever done that? No! Y'all are just like, nothing bad can happen here on this free app that I use all the time. Fucking idiots! Now you care about privacy? The best part about this is that all the people out there shaking their fists concerned about privacy are all the same people logged in to Facebook and Instagram. How about Google stuff? Twitter stuff? You know what? Speaking of, this brings me to the third issue that people are bringing up. Number 3, it gives your data away. Yep. Sure does. Any guesses as to who it gives that data to? Fucking Facebook and Google. FaceApp is sharing your data with Facebook and Google, American companies. And that brings me to the fourth and final issue. It's owned by the Russians! I mean, first of all, yes, it is owned by a Russian company, but like, who cares? You're scared because it's foreign? Because the Russians? Because the Russians are out to get us! Collusion! Hey, motherfuckers! Any guesses as to what the Russian government actually used when they really did interfere with our election here in the US in 2016? Any guesses? Facebook and Twitter. Again, American companies that you are logged into. You're worried about a Russian face morphing app storing your face on their servers while you willingly every single day give everything about you to services here in the US. And listen, I realize not all of you that are watching this show right now, there's a lot of fans all around the world. I know not all of you are from the US. So allow me to take this second to talk to my US idiot neighbors. Stop being scared of stuff just because it's trending on Twitter. Stop being scared of stuff just because it's foreign. Because the Russians! The real shit that you should be scared of is right here at home. Right in front of you. 90% of you watching right now are logged in, are using a Facebook service of some kind. For those of you not paying attention, not playing along at home, Facebook owns Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus, FriendFeed, LiveRail, Face.com, a facial recognition platform. Imagine that. Onavo, a company literally shut down over privacy concerns. Masquerade, another facial recognition app. You get the idea, right? Facebook knows your browsing history, your shopping habits, your eating habits, your interests, your friends, your family, your lifestyle. Oh, and they have your face. They have access to your photos, your locations, your microphones, the websites you visit, are sharing your information with Facebook. They have your face and can identify you by your face in every photo that you appear in, even if your friends or your family did not tag you. You are worried about another face morphing app while willingly giving Facebook services enough information about you to clone you. Listen, okay, I'm not telling you right now that you need to go off the grid, wrap your head in tinfoil, and log out of all of your favorite apps. All I'm telling you is that you are dumb. You are dumb if you think that you can pick and choose when you care about privacy. You either really, really do, and your actions reflect that, or it's just not that big of a deal to you. And that's okay. We really, me included, we get a lot out of these platforms, these services, these apps, these websites that we use every single day, most of them for free. We get a lot out of them, and that is okay. It's just up to you as an individual person to decide for yourself if what you get out of that platform every day is worth what you are giving it every day in return. Be self-aware, pull up your big boy britches or your big girl britches, and stop being surprised when you learn that the platform that you think or thought you were using for free actually isn't free at all.